welcome back to our channel. I'm Captain.
And I'm using Nano.
Say distance.
Zanaya.
And today, guys, we are making slime. Okay, so we just gotta pipe this camera up somewhere. Somewhere, guys, somewhere.
I have a little camera thing that we can put it on.
Okay, let's do it then. We Gucci right here. Come on, Naya.
Hey, so we already got slime.
We got slime. We have to add some slime, don't we? Okay. We are getting ready to make slime. You have to hear this. Guys,
Yeah, but it's
actually
not
making
forming,
It's
but
not
we
forming.
already know what to do. So keep mixing it.
Okay, Naya. So we also have to put our slime in the refrigerator because this is a dish soap slime. We added some contact solution. No, we didn't. We added glue. We added some dial. Dawn. I don't know what to call it. I'm just gonna get some. But we're not just gonna pour it in. We're not going to pour it in.
Smell. And we can speak Spanish too. In my turn mix.
Okay, we got this type of salt. Don't know what type of salt this is. So I'm just gonna get the dish soap that we use, okay guys? I can't say dish soap, I say dish soap, okay guys? Be back in a
So
second.
with this soap. Maybe you want to Do you know what that is?
Oh, this is some Dawn dish soap.
Okay guys, let's tell y'all how we made this. We made it with soap, glue, well, formed with glue. Salt.
We have to put this in the refrigerator, guys. So yeah,
But like salt.
add a lot.
I need to be scared while you do it too. Next, we're gonna do a slime challenge. So we're gonna put some ingredients on the on some paper. Put it up in a bucket.
Forming together.
Then we're gonna close our eyes,
We have to see if it's
mix
forming or
it,
not.
and then we're
Yeah,
gonna pick
mix it.
it.
We are cooking.
And then whatever we get, we gotta put up in this slime to make it form. That's how y'all make it form. If y'all got a lot of seasoning and hot sauce and stuff, y'all can use that.
Slime.
So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it started.
Into the refrigerator, guys. So we
Yeah,
gonna
put
put
it
this
up
in the
in the
refrigerator.
refrigerator.
So we'll see to you guys later. Okay, so let's go add these into the refrigerator.
Okay, bring them.
Get this guy.
Just sit up there.
Just
Unless you wanna sit on that.
Okay, so we're just going to sit
But
this on a
that
napkin.
oh,
We're going to sit this on a napkin. Well, first we're gonna add a little bit of this.
Wait, what you do with my little pen? And then we ain't gonna mix it. We just gonna.
Yeah, we're just gonna let this sit in it and see how it turns out, guys. So I'm gonna bring you guys to the station. Okay, right there.
Captain, somehow you gotta get the what's it?
Okay, so I'll just put that right there, guys.
Be
And
ripping
sit
the
down.
paper and putting all the ingredients.
Look, y'all don't put that paper all on this
So
phone.
we did this.
And we're gonna put this on in the refrigerator for like 2.5 minutes. No, for like 5 or 10 minutes.
Right, in Spanish, so yeah.
I don't want to do one in Spanish.
You
Cause
don't
it's
know
just-
what it is. The first one.
Okay, guys. So that's what it looks like. What are we gonna name this one? Well, what are we gonna name this one now?
Baby blue.
Baby blue. No, that's the name of your fish. Blue fish. No, we call it blue sea. Blue sea, because it looks like the sea in the ocean. Guys, that's what it's going to be called. So, back to
I don't
Naya.
know.
She's just writing down things. What you writing down, Naya? Blah, blah, blah. What you writing down? Oh. Boots is cooking up. She put the oil in it. Say, hey.
She was was up in, y'all can remember, here, y'all can remember me because me and her, she was on my YouTube channel, and yeah. So, I'm just gonna sit y'all somewhere. So, I'm gonna sit y'all right there.
Oh,
If y'all can stay.
hold up. We talk about some slide videos, okay? Okay.
Kelvin, you gonna eat a hamburger too?
Okay.
Okay. One time, 'cause you hungry.
Okay, so we're talking about slide videos right now, guys. So before
While
you not be
I'm
able to-
doing these.
Okay.
Sure, but
Yes,
We
it
got
is
to go
official.
watching
We're
it.
making some more slabs today, guys. So that's our bucket. This is our bucket for it. What are you doing? Are you just ripping up paper?
now
For
I'm
no
putting words up in it.
So why are you doing that?
I'm putting words in the paper.
Oh! So we could just add like random things into our slides. Into the slime. We about to make some slime. We about to make some slime all day. So we just about to shake this up. We gotta shake it up.
I know, but don't shake it up yet. Cause we got all of them.
All the paper is
So y'all, 19. He's
20.
no.
I'm 20. Yeah, we're both 19 then.
Yeah, we're both 19.
Oh, snap. They fell out. So we're
Okay.
going to just try. Dude, those gotta put it on the other side of my head.
Hmm?
They gotta put it on the same head.
No, that's it. Right there, what?
Ow.
What happened?
Let me see this.
Jesse.
Jesse cooked?
Nah, he didn't club me. But you can't tell nobody did. He had close me.
What you put through your head like that for?
When I was over
You just
there.
told your mama when you threw your head.
Yeah, I saw him. He was, maybe he was across with that. You know where that old man live over there?
He had.
Yeah, he did this.
Where today?
In the morning.
That no better than that. Something cute. Look over
She
there
is
and have
okay.
to Yeah, you should have told that.
I did told. I told that's what I go to the door. Said, Mom, just a push me in my
You see
head.
them paper towel all up on that big roll of paper towel you want.
Maybe you can't be eating all my school chips now.
Good shit about ain't no your chip, that them chip, them old chip your mama had thrown away like I was got.
Or these.
No.
Somebody get some of
I ain't
those.
nobody eating them chips. Don't tell that tale. Nobody but you and your mama.
So the he gonna be gone with his daddy. So I'm gonna have to be worried about him. So I'm gonna have to be worried with him
Okay.
on the side of my head. And I'm not,
Hold on, guys. We're gonna put something special
Why would
in
you
it.
do that?
We're gonna put something special.
I'm only 9 years old, and you just 14, about to be 15.
Coconut is what sugar scrub. Sugar scrub. No. I'm trying to say how to spell
It's
it.
basically an iridescent flakes. It's basically just iridescent flakes, but it's salt in it. But salt is salt, so
No, salt is not a bear.
what is it?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Made from sugar scrub.
Oh, I made some sugar scrub slide. Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah.
So once we get done with this, we will take our slime out and see if it formed. Up in the refrigerator.
So far about like 5 to 6 minutes.
Okay, now I'm gonna we gonna add these for fish bobby.
No, we can't do that for food. That's pet food, right?
That what?
That's pet food.
My pet died.
Still, this nasty. You put that in no slime. You put it now. You just put it in and it smell like
I put it up in that slime, up in one of those. My
Just do
candle.
anything. Just anything. It's all.
We can do it.
No, you can do that. I hope I don't pick that slime idea. Cause they're gonna be nasty.
I ain't gonna pick it though. I'm not gonna pick it. But we
Oh, so alright, so this gonna be like the worst one. So this
yeah,
gonna be
that's
the
our worst one. So
Yeah,
if
these are
we
both
get
worst.
that, we gonna have to put a lot.
Hold up, Naya. See, I haven't picked out one. I want to pick out one. This is food color. Food color. Food color to give it color. Yeah, food colors. Man. Okay, so the food color is up there. I don't know if we can get that down.
Yeah, Boosie can get it down. All she gotta do is just do her hair like that. She can get it